All right, so we are out here in the mountains, and you're probably saying, well, this is a different location from a usual video, and you're right. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about Mother Nature. So we're going to talk about root canals and Mother Nature. And a lot of people will say, or we should say even dentists, say root canals are not very good because they leak and leak bacteria. Well, it's like, if it's done well, that's not the case, because the root canal is done so Mother Nature can take over and finish the job. And we're going to demonstrate that on a tree. So this is a quaking aspen tree, and like right here you can see where a branch broke off, and here's another one where a branch broke off. But what do we have on the outside of this tree is bark, and on the outside of a tooth we have a layer of tissue called cementum. And so what happens on a root canal is we want to clean that little place where we could say the branch broke off and let Mother Nature come back and cover this over with cementum. And that's what happens with this. We see that happen in the trees. And we got a good dog. Okay, so here's another demonstration, right? This is a much older tree than what I just showed you. So right here, you can see at some point a branch used to come off of there and it broke off. But now the tree covered it over with bark, right? And same thing with this, right? At some point, a branch was there, broke off, and now we got bark covering it, right? So same thing with the root canal. Once you think this gets a little cleaned out and that little blood vessel gets cleaned out, right? The bark on the outside of the tree, that cementum, right, is going to cover it over. And that's what then helps the healing of the tooth.